So we're on a location up a Brisbane River, and as you can see behind, we've got some of the team here letting go Mary River Cod fingerlings, and they're very good size. Some of these guys are like 60, 70 mil, almost yearlings these guys, really good quality. Let them go, and that is to replace the extinct Brisbane River Cod, which has been wiped out since about 1940 because of overfishing, poor grazing practices, land clearing, poisoning of the water. So we're putting the wolf back into Yellowstone in the form of getting an apex predator fish back in our local waterways. And that should help us keep some sort of control over introduced pests, which are right through the catchment here now. We've got tilapia, and more recently we've got pearl cichlids. And in the upper catchment, we're yet to get European carp, but no doubt they'll somehow learn how to climb up and over Wivenhoe Dam and get their way here on their own someday. But you know what? They probably won't get a real good grip if we've got 40, 50, 60 pound cod swimming around in some of these pools in places like this magnificent little spot. Mr. Carp comes swimming along, and big old Mary, the big angry cod, should hopefully crunch anything that comes swimming through their turf. So, we need to fix the habitat, we need to get rid of barriers, and we need to get the fish back, and these fingerlings can grow big and strong into adults and start breeding on their own.